Hey everybody, it's Brad.
And I'm Krista.
And today is a very special day indeed because today...
our tractor's here.
Tractor day. So when you get a farm, there are a few things that you gotta have.
You have to have a tractor. Just have to.
Yeah, and you guys know that we have been planning on getting a tractor. When we sold our house, we had a chunk of money set aside to do this. And well, there's been a lot of you giving advice on what we should get, and we've been listening, we've been paying attention, and well, it just pulled into the driveway.
Yes, it did.
So let's go check this out. There's Caleb, king of the mountain people, and there's Kurt delivering a Ford 8N tractor. What's up, my friend?
Good to see you again.
How's the trip?
Good, really smooth. We actually got up here early, so we had
Woo! Look at this, guys. So no secret will be held back anymore. We got the Ford 8N. Kurt gave us an incredible deal on it, and we got a lot to ask him about this thing. So you get the first ride, Mama?
Well, he's got to show me how to run it.
Show me. We'll, all in due time, baby. All in due time. We got to pay attention how to turn it on. That might be a good start.
It's the turn switch.
He just turned a little thing right there too.
turn the gas on.
Yeah, gas got to go on.
Yeah, I forgot to gas. Turn the key on. Neutral.
About midway, choke. Look at that. Nice.
It'll run down like it wants to kill. Pull the choke out, push it back in.
Okay. Just like that.
And then keep doing that 3-4 times.
It'll warm up.
It warms up.
I'm loving this. Take your foot off the brake too. Oh, there you go.
So yeah, I know a tractor is really meant for work, but so far
We're having fun.
this is a lot of fun. I'm like, bring on the fields. I want to plow something, for crying out loud.
Yeah, I want to cut this front yard.
Yeah, we'll get the bush hog going and get it cleaned up because it's a mess.
Yes, it is.
So I'm Brad,
And I'm Krista.
and you guys have an amazing day.